I now turn to the children. Again, we are into all these dynamics of work-family balance. For some who are going into coaching about career women, this is something that can be useful to look into the research on the children. I think there was a focus group discussion yesterday, and one of the mommies said that one of those who interviewed the children said they really like it now in this remote working because they can play with the family, that she can be mentored by her mom. So this COVID lockdown has done something good for the families, and that is another session, I think, when we get all of this data. Why did I get into work-life balance? Basically because of the effects on the children. I really could not forget that talk that was given by a friend when she said she was having dinner with the siblings, and her brother is married with one child, and suddenly they heard the girl say, I am busy, I am busy, I am busy. So my friend, who is a psychologist, approached her niece and asked, what are you busy about? And she says, I have to draw, I have to do ballet, I have to do this. So when she asked the brother, the dad, he said, I think it's my fault because every time she approaches me, I said, I'm busy, go to mom. And the sister-in-law also said, I'm also at fault because when she approaches me, I say, go to dad, I'm busy. So I am busy has been ingrained. Some working young moms, when they call their children after work, it seems that their children are busy. And I had this picture when they say their children have no time to talk to them. Somehow I thought that they age so fast, like the adults that are surrounding them with cell phones and computers. And lastly, I went to a parlor, and both the husband and wife were in the parlor. The husband is like the one getting all the payments. I somehow asked, this girl is excellent, something has to give. So when I asked, it seems that they leave the child only with the yaya and with the internet and without any filter. So that gives a feeling of fear to me. What is that child learning from the internet that is not filtered at all? So that is a huge concern if you get into that area of research and coaching. What are the effects of moving images on children? There's another YouTube video that I want you to see on your own. It's about parents buying iPad for their son, but the son is too young, so the store selling the iPad said, you come back after 7 years. So that is something new for a store that somehow doesn't want to sell. No? So that's a nice commercial. In the survey that I did a long time ago, I asked them what is the best thing about having a working father and mother. And majority would say you have food on the table, you get to go to school, you have money to spend on the essentials. But there are a few. I tagged us just to categorize them, to find out what they will answer in the next question. I tagged them in terms of being a little materialistic because they answer, you can live a luxurious life, you get to travel to a lot of places, you get money to visit many countries, you have extra money to buy whatever you want. But then the next question is, if you have one wish, what is it? And all of them, including the ones that I tag materialistic, they only have a 4-letter word, time. They just need the time of their parents. And now I think they're enjoying it. Although it could be difficult for some of you, they're enjoying the time with their parents. This is another video I want you to watch. Look for Joaquim de Posada, but I'll give you the link, about really spending time to train your children, because what they are right now, the way that they can really control themselves, really be master of themselves, will be a key to success in life. But that doesn't happen just with a yaya. You really have to spend time. You know, I finished the book, Family of Saints. It's the family of Saint Therese of Lisieux. From that family, they have 5 nuns and 4 who went to heaven at an early age. So 9 children. And the couple, the parents, were canonized as saints. And it's only after reading the book that I understood, you know, intentional parenting. Your children, you can say, kahit na nagtatrabaho ako, okay naman lumabas sa mga anak ko. Maganda naman kinahinat na nila. But, you know, it's good. Let's thank God, no? Because if there were no strategies at all, or a little strategy, they were okay. But with that book, it was really intentional parenting. So your children need your presence more than your presence. Okay? And I think they really love your being present at home. We can offer up the difficulty of not being able to discipline them well, or you not being able to work because they're enjoying this presence. And this one, I don't know whether really Albert Einstein said this, but I find it's very good to mention to everyone. There are no great discoveries and there is no progress as long as there is an unhappy child on earth. We have to help parents, working parents, balance work and family.